begin by pouring our egg in. This is how we bag in. We're gonna cut along the edge here like this. Okay, we should be able to lift the bowl up.
Come on. Oh, bro.
There we go, perfect. Now we're gonna take another bowl, put it right here, a smaller one. Now we got our egg yolk, right?
Okay.
We got our egg yolk, and carefully miss. I'll fix that, I'll fix it. I'll fix it, don't worry. Go slow.
Yo, can you get some over here?
Yeah, I'm going.
Okay. Yo, you actually killed that.
There we go. Okay, now just fix that part. Cut along this side right here. That should be good right there.
Okay.
We should just be able to lift it up.
Bro.
Boom. Now we take a shot glass.
Oh, wow.
Put that in the center like that. Take the remainder of our egg white here. And carefully pour that in. No, it came up too fast. No, why would it plop like that? Get it off. Why is this part so thick? Look at this thing.
Because this stupid big snot piece fell out all hard.
Okay, it's not terrible.
Okay, still gonna work. See all that snot? It's not over yet.
Okay, cut along this now. It's all gonna work out, trust me. Let's see if we can lift that up.
Oh, you got it.
Perfect. Take the remainder of your egg yolk here and place that in the center. Be nice and careful.
Yeah, perfect.
Just like that.
Boom.
Okay, it looked a lot better in my head, but it's still gonna look okay. Now we're gonna take a couple pieces of lettuce.
Okay.
Place that in the center right here. Now we're gonna take a couple of tomatoes. Okay, our tomatoes. Put that right here. Lastly, we're gonna take 2 pieces of bacon. Put that right here as well.
Okay, the best part.
Yeah. Lastly, we're gonna take some spicy mayo here.
Okay.
Put that on like that.
It was looking weird at first, but maybe it's baconing to look good.
Oh, wow. Maybe it's baconing. Now we want to see if this is going to lift up. Yeah. Look at that. Look how perfectly cooked that is.
It's cooked perfectly.
Okay. We want to fold. Ow! Not only ow, I got spicy mayo on it.
Mayo could happen.
This is the hottest thing on earth. Let's move this over. Is it going to fold?
Yeah, you got it.
No, it's not. It's not going to fold the way I want it to. Fold this part in. Ow! We're just going to move this over here. Move it over here like that. And then we're going to fold this whole thing over. Broken piece of... Lift it up and fold it all the way over.
Okay, man.
Okay, now we just want to take this. Don't fall apart. Put it on a plate like that. And there you have it. The best looking thing you ever seen.